ABC Educational Channel. 50 adjectives with simple sentences. Happy. I am happy. Happy. Sad. The boy is sad. Sad. Big. My dad is big. Big. Small. The ant is small. Small. Tall. The giraffe is tall. Tall. Short. The boy is short. Short. Long. The rope is long. Long. Short. The pencil is short. Short. Beautiful. The girl is beautiful. Beautiful. Handsome. My father is handsome. Handsome. Ugly. The monster is ugly. Ugly. Clean. My shirt is clean. Clean. Dirty. My shirt is dirty. Dirty. New. I have a new car. New. Old. My grandmother is old. Old. Young. The boy is young. Young. Rich. The lady is rich. Rich. Poor. The man is poor. Poor. Smart. The boy is smart. Smart. Kind. Anna is kind. Kind. Brave. The boy is brave. Brave. Careful. The girl is careful. Careful. Loud. The music is loud. Loud. Quiet. The library is quiet. Quiet. Early. I wake up early. Early. Late. He sleeps late at night. Late. Fast. The car is fast. fast, slow. The turtle is slow, slow. Good. He is a good student, good. Bad. The boy is bad, bad. Strong. The woman is strong, strong. Weak. The boy is weak, weak. Hot. The sun is hot, hot. Cold. The lemon juice is cold, cold. Warm. The coffee is warm, warm. Cool. The boy is cool, cool. Bright. The light is bright, bright. Dark. The sky is dark, dark. Soft. The teddy bear is soft, soft. Hard. The rock is hard, hard. Sweet. The candy is sweet, sweet. Sour. The lemon is sour, sour. Salty. The chip is salty, salty. Fresh. The leaves are fresh, fresh. Stale. The bread is stale, stale. Interesting. The story is interesting, interesting. Boring. The movie is boring, boring. Useful. The tools are useful, useful. Useless. The pencil is useless, useless. Important. The trophy is important, important. Thanks for listening. Until our next vocabulary adventure.